Samsung has been leading the foldable phone market for years, setting the standard with its Galaxy Z Flip and Z Fold series. While these devices have introduced innovative technology and futuristic designs, one major barrier has prevented mass adoption: price. Foldable phones have consistently been expensive, making them a niche product rather than a mainstream choice. However, recent rumors suggest that Samsung is finally working on a Fan Edition (FE) variant of the Galaxy Z Flip 7, which could be a game-changer. If priced right, this device could bring foldable technology to a much wider audience and significantly impact the smartphone industry. In this in-depth analysis, we will explore the potential specs, pricing, design, features, and impact of the rumored Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. 1. Why a Fan Edition foldable makes sense. Samsung's Fan Edition FE lineup has been a successful strategy to bring premium features at a lower price. The Galaxy S21 FE and Galaxy S23 FE provided high-end specs while cutting costs in areas that didn't drastically affect the user experience. By introducing an FE version of the Z Flip 7, Samsung could lower the entry point for foldable phones, making them more attractive to consumers who have been hesitant due to high prices. Market demand for affordable foldables. Currently, foldable smartphones are limited to premium buyers who are willing to spend over $1,000. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is expected to start at $1,099, while previous models have been priced at $999 or higher. A cheaper Z Flip 7 FE, potentially priced around $699 to $799, would allow many more users to experience foldable technology without breaking the bank. This could drive mass adoption and force competitors like Motorola, Oppo, and Google to introduce their own budget-friendly foldables. 2. Expected design and build. The Galaxy Z Flip series has been known for its compact, stylish, and pocketable design. If Samsung releases a Z Flip 7 FE, it will likely retain many of the signature design elements while cutting costs in select areas. Possible design changes in the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. Plastic frame instead of aluminum. To reduce costs, Samsung may replace the aluminum frame with a durable plastic one. Simpler hinge mechanism. Samsung could use a less complex hinge to save on manufacturing costs, though it will still need to be durable. Smaller cover display. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 and 6 feature large external displays, but the FE variant might use a smaller screen to reduce expenses. Fewer color options. Samsung's FE models often have fewer color choices, so the Z Flip 7 FE may come in basic shades like black, white, and blue. While Samsung may reduce some premium design elements, it is expected to maintain the core foldable experience, ensuring that the device remains practical and stylish. 3. Expected specifications and performance. One of the biggest questions surrounding the Z Flip 7 FE is what kind of specs it will feature. Samsung will need to balance affordability with performance to create a compelling product. Potential specifications for the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. Processor and performance. To keep the price down, Samsung may skip the flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen series and opt for a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 or even an Exynos 2400 chipset. While not as powerful as the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, these chips should still offer solid performance for daily tasks, gaming, and multitasking. Battery life. A 3700 mAh, 4000 mAh battery is expected, which should be adequate for a full day of use. Samsung will also likely include 25W fast charging and 15W wireless charging, similar to its flagship foldables. Camera system. The Z Flip 7 FE may feature a dual camera system with a 12MP main sensor and a 12MP ultra-wide lens. While it may not match the camera performance of flagship devices, it should still provide solid photography and video recording capabilities. 4. Software and features. Samsung will likely equip the Z Flip 7 FE with One UI 6.1 based on Android 15, ensuring a smooth and feature-rich experience. Some expected features include: Flex Mode allows apps to be used in split-screen mode when the phone is partially folded. Multi-window support enables better multitasking on the main display. Samsung DeX. Possibly removed. Samsung might exclude DeX mode to differentiate the FE model from premium foldables. Samsung has also been heavily investing in Galaxy AI features, so the Z Flip 7 FE may come with AI-powered tools for photography, voice assistance, and smart automation. 5. Expected pricing and availability. Pricing will be the key factor in determining whether the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE succeeds. Samsung needs to find the right balance, offering a foldable at a competitive price without cannibalizing its flagship models. Potential price predictions. If Samsung can price the base model around $699, it could attract a massive audience of users who have been waiting for an affordable foldable. Launch timeline. Expected announcement: July-August 2025, alongside Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7. Pre-orders start August 2025. Official release date: late August or early September 2025. 6. The impact of an affordable foldable. If the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE launches at an affordable price, it could transform the foldable market in several ways. Mass adoption of foldables. More users would be willing to try foldable technology. Pressure on competitors. Brands like Motorola, Oppo, and Google would have to release their own budget foldables. Redefining mid-range smartphones. It could compete directly with traditional flagship devices like the Galaxy S25 and iPhone 16. Samsung has already dominated the foldable segment, and with a budget-friendly option, it could completely take over the market. Final thoughts. Is the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE worth the hype? The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE has the potential to be a groundbreaking device. If Samsung can deliver a premium foldable experience at a reasonable price, it could change the smartphone landscape forever. But everything depends on pricing and execution. If Samsung gets it right, the Z Flip 7 FE could be the foldable phone that finally goes mainstream. Would you buy a Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE if it launched for $699 to $799? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification